lot because we needed to...
Or your protection moved to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
I think that was an amazing experience for us to, like, literally sacrifice... which was worth...
The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Catawba County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southeastern Alexander County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, central Iredell County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles west of Statesville, or near Lookout Shoals Lake, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations include Statesville, Troutman, Lookout Shoals Lake, Lake Norman State Park, Scotts, Oxford, Stony Point, Catawba, and Lake Norman.
Right. But he is battling ALS. So
that's WSIC right there. And WSIC, their station is originated in Iredell County here. And WSIC being licensed to Statesville, where they're at. Though I'm receiving W290DK, a simulcast station to WSIC, but in Mooresville. So my way of receiving them. And so we have this one severe thunderstorm warning for the one county that WSIC is originated in. That being Iredell County in North Carolina. Well, alongside the Alexander and Catawba counties, but Iredell County being the hotspot for where WSIC is.